Hi, so today I'll be presenting an HR-led ESG initiative for GFL Environmental called the Smart Sort Workforce Integration Program. This initiative focuses on using AI-powered waste sorting technology combined with employee training to improve sustainability, operational efficiency, and overall business performance. I will walk through the problem, the solution, and why this initiative is important for both the company and its stakeholders. GFL currently faces several ESG challenges, especially in its recycling operations. One of the biggest issues is the contamination in recycling streams, where materials are incorrectly sorted. This leads to more waste being sent to landfills instead of being recycled. As the result, this increases greenhouse gas emissions, particularly methane, and reduces overall efficiency. These challenges not only affect environmental performances, but also increase operational costs and impact GFL's reputation. To address these challenges, I am proposing the Smart Sort Workforce Integration Program. This is an HR-led initiative that combines the implementation of AI-powered waste sorting technology with employee training and change management. The goal is not just to introduce new technology, but to ensure that employees are properly trained, supported, and engaged through their transition. HR plays a key role in making sure the workforce can successfully adapt to these changes. This initiative is important because it directly impacts stakeholders. For employees, it creates safer working conditions and provides opportunities to develop new skills related to technology. For local communities, it reduces pollution, odor, and landfill waste, improving overall quality of life. For customers, such as municipalities and businesses, it ensures more reliable and sustainable waste management services, addressing stakeholder needs, helps build trust, and strengthens GFL's social responsibility. These are several strong business benefits to this initiative. First, AI-powered sorting improves operational efficiency by reducing errors and increasing the amount of recyclable materials recovered. Second, it lowers long-term costs by reducing landfill fees and improving resource use. Third, it strengthens GFL's ESG performance, which is increasingly important for investors and regulators. And finally, it enhances the company's reputation as a sustainable leader, which can attract new customers and business opportunities. While the benefits are strong, there are also costs and risks to consider. The biggest challenge is the high upfront investment required for AI technology and training programs. There is also a risk that employees may resist the change or feel uncertain about the technology. Additionally, there may be temporary disruptions during implementation. However, these risks can be managed through phased implementation, strong communication, and effective training programs. This initiative will be implemented in 3 phases. In the planning phase, GFL will assess current operations, develop training programs, and secure funding. In the pilot phase, AI technology will be tested at selected facilities and employee feedback will be collected. Finally, in the rollout phase, the program will be expanded across more locations with ongoing monitoring and improvements. This phased approach will help reduce risks and ensure a smoother transaction. The success of this initiative will be measured through key performance indicators. These include reductions in contamination rates, lower emissions, improved employee engagement, and fewer workplace incidents. HR will track these metrics on a quarterly basis and share results with leadership. Regular reporting ensures transparency and accountability, which are components of ESG. In this stage, we are seeking approval to move forward with the pilot phase of this initiative. This includes allocating budget and resources and beginning the development of employee training programs. Taking action now allows GFL to stay competitive, meet growing ESG expectations, and position itself as a leader in sustainable waste management. Thank you for your time and attention. This initiative represents an opportunity to improve environmental impact, support employees, and strengthen business performance. I would now be happy to answer any questions. And this is my works cited page. These are all the sources I used for my presentation, as well as this is my AI declaration, and I use these within my assignment. Thank you.